Welcome back to Active, your favorite channel on YouTube. Today we are going to start a new series of videos which we'll call What Is. While continuing our other two series of videos, we thought of starting this special series mainly considering the responses we got from our viewers worldwide. In this series, we will try to explain the terms you hear very often, yet probably don't know the meaning exactly. Some of them are used in KnowledgeSparks as well. We will explain the terms in a simple manner so that you can understand them easily. Today, as the first step, we are going to look at the term Internet of Things, or in other words, IoT. Before moving on to IoT, first of all, we need to figure out what Internet is. Even though we use Internet on daily basis, how many of us know the exact meaning of Internet? Some people think it as a server which is hosted in some other country, but in reality, it is a network of networks. It comprises of a large number of computers, several high bandwidth data lines known as the Internet backbone, and web servers, and also the Internet service providers or the ISPs, which distribute the data to other locations. If you have obtained a link from your communication service provider to connect your PC, laptop, tab, or the mobile phone to an ISP, that means your device has already become a part of the Internet. Internet today has become almost a commodity level service that we depend very much on it for different things including communication, information, and entertainment. The initial Internet was mainly looking at connecting places. Then it became a main connectivity medium between people, mainly due to the proliferation of the mobile phone. The next step is connecting things associated with places and people, or the topic of discussion, Internet of Things. When it comes to IoT, in the broader sense, one can say that it is everything connected to the Internet, but it is not limited to computers, phones, and tabs. It can be any device which is capable of talking to each other, from simple sensors to sophisticated machines or equipment. For an example, if you consider your home, there can be multiple devices which are capable of gathering data and sending back to you or a central device or to the device manufacturer through your service provider's network. These devices may include wearables, washing machines, televisions, air conditioners, toasters, and so on. Cisco predicts that by 2020, there will be at least 50 billion connected devices on Earth. That means 6 per person. And by 2022, 1 trillion networked sensors will be embedded in the world around us, with up to 45 trillion in 20 years. So, what is the importance of having devices which are capable of communicating with each other apart from its core functionality? Once they gather data using available sensors, that will be communicated to a high level device or to the user or to the equipment manufacturer for further analysis. Based on that, an action can be performed to help someone with a particular task, or to improve or fine-tune a process while identifying the lapses in the existing process. For an example, let's say you are driving a car and suddenly you see an alarm related to the engine on the dashboard. Traditionally, what you do is, if you don't know the meaning of that alarm, you may consult a mechanic, and based on his expertise, this issue can be solved. But if your car has the capability of sending this data to its manufacturer, that may have some added advantages. By processing the data, the manufacturer's system can troubleshoot the exact problem and send you a feedback to your mobile on what actions to be taken. Also, they can offer you coupons to get the parts or service at a discounted rate. If the manufacturer gets the same fault from different vehicles, that can be either caused by a defective part or a problem in the process. If it is caused by a defective part, then data can be used to identify the batch number, date of manufacture, and the supply of that part, and actions can be taken accordingly. If it is caused by any lapses in the process, then also we can use data to improve the process to overcome such issues in the future. We hope now it is clear to you what is meant by IoT. So, when you hear the term next time, we are sure that you can understand the context better. We will meet you again soon with another What Is video. See you then.